The ball is floating. It won't drop. Do you know why? Hello, tech boys, tech girls. Today we are going to make a blower. It's Model 4. Chinese name is 鼓风机. English name is blower. We will need one package of materials and one cardboard. Find the package with the same name. Find the board with the same name. I will need some color pens. First step is to color the board. You can use any color you want. Now let's put this aside for the paint to dry. Take the package. Turn to step 1 of the instruction manual. And step 1 is to color the board, which we have finished. Now let's go to step 2 to test whether the motor works. So remove the plastic wrap of the battery. Put in the battery. Next, connect the battery with the motor. Turn on the switch. If the motor spins, that means it's working. Now let's disconnect the battery and the motor. Take our cardboard and remove the different parts. Let's use a pen to remove those smaller portions. Take this black part and take the motor. Remove the center part of this black foam. Insert the motor. Until this side is flat. Remove the tape. Now take this piece. There is a small hole here. There is another similar piece, but the hole is much bigger. So you want to use the one with the smaller hole. Put the motor onto this piece. Make sure it's pasted to the color side of this board. Press it a bit so it's fixed onto the board. And the wire is at this side. And the other side will look like this. Now take this blue plastic. And remember, one side the hole is smaller, the other side the hole is bigger. if you check the menu, it's the side with the small hole and this side of the motor. So let's put it together. Oh, we forgot to remove all these portions. So let's remove it. See the number 1 here and the number 1 here, so 1 goes to 1. Number 2 here, find the piece with number 2, and 2 goes to 2. Number 3 here, find the piece with number 3, and number 3 goes to number 3. Number 4 here, find the one with number 4, and number 4 goes to number 4. So it will be like this. Take the other piece and put it together. Oh, we haven't removed all this yet, so let's remove it. So it's number 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here is 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put it together. It's number 9 here. Return to the other side is number 10. So this piece has number 9 and number 10. Similarly, number 9 goes to number 9, number 10 goes to number 10. And then we are going to put the battery here. Okay, we need to push a little bit. And the last piece has number 11 and 12. Okay, let's remove this. Number 12, number 11. So 11 go to 11, 12 go to 12. Make sure this little hole is at the same side as the motor. Insert the wire and let it go through the hole. The hole is a little bit small, so you need to push a little bit to let it go through. Next, we will connect the motor with the battery. And we haven't used these two foams. One is a ball, the other is a cube. Okay, let's turn on the switch. You can see the blue plastic is spinning. I'll put it on the table. Then we put the ball on top of here. You can see the ball is floating in the air. If we move the blower, the ball will follow the blower. Now let's take the ball and try the cube. If we put the cube on top, oh, it just drops. Try again, drops again. Now let's try this on the floor. I have already turned on the blower. When you put the ball on top, remember to release your hand slowly, otherwise it will drop. If you release your hand slowly enough, you will see the ball floating above the blower. Let's take the ball, try the cube again. Put the cube. It drops. Try again. Release slowly, it drops again. Try again. Drop again. So why is the ball able to float in the air just above the blower? When we turn on the blower, the air flows in this direction. And because it's a ball, there is no hard edge. So the air keeps the ball in balance. If we put a cube on top of the blower, the air still blows the same way, but this time it will blow to the edge of the cube. So the cube will lose balance and drop to the floor.